Alright guys, unboxing. Got the old Delica. Well, my wife's Delica.
Papa, I'm hungry.
Alright baby, hold on. Sorry, Gabby's with me. So we're gonna feed her as soon as we open it. What's in here, guys? Got a note with some info. Let's flip it over.
Papa, look what I got.
What is that, guys? Do y'all see it? There you go, Gabby. Sorry, I had to give
cheese stick.
Gabby got a cheese stick, and I got a knifey.
You got a knifey.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Hi, Minky. You're so cute. Oh, you're so cute.
Let's see what it says.
Face.
6364 HRC Magna Cut Blade, Mag Milling, Zircotite Clip, 72222, Roosevelt number 808. Woo! Just got off work. Just won this. Look at that, guys. 808. Oh. Amazing. This is so light. Look at that clip, guys. That is beautiful. Let's do that again. So effortless. Takes no pressure. Just drop shut. I don't think there's a single thing I'd change or add to this one. Anyway, hope you guys liked the quick unboxing.